I joined Mavambo in 2008. I felt it was very important for Zanu because I grew up in Zanu. I joined Zanu in 1973. For Zanu to look at two things. One is to accept criticism if it builds you up. Of course, there's a lot of negative criticism, but there's also positive criticism. And we should go back to the situation during the war where people were allowed and encouraged to critique what was happening. So if they thought the war, they would be able to say, we did that wrong and you should have done that. Same thing with education. You were able to give your views. But somehow as we went on, it started to be that if you criticize ZANU-PF, you are a sellout and you need to be arrested or beaten up or something. I think this refusal to accept internal and external criticism is a very serious problem, and I think every organization, big or small, needs to have a system of internal monitoring and evaluation. Otherwise, if you start saying anybody who criticizes me is a sellout, you can't improve. So that's why I thought Simba's a wonderful person, a man of great integrity and great intelligence and ability and experience, is the sort of person who can help us to critique what is happening within Zanu, because he was there from the beginning, really. It's us who were there from the beginning who should be able to say, we are not sellouts, we are not doing negative criticism, we are saying we can improve in this or that way.
And by the time that we left and compared to now, for now it seems as if you criticize, you're chased out of the party, whereas during your time you just left with the Simamakoni and the Malanga project. So it's like it's history repeating itself within Zambia. If you criticize, because today there was some demonstrations against Kasokwere, yesterday it was Walker and Sand. It is the system that is within that party.
Yeah, I think the idea that you criticize by using violence is a bad system. And even the criticism that is being made, I'm not sure it has good foundations. You may not like me, or I may not like you, and then that may lead to us criticizing each other. But maybe there are things that we are doing which need to be corrected. So I think it's good to look at policies rather than individuals.
And would you consider going back to Zambia?
Yes, I think the war vets have said we created Zanu before it was PF. We are the founders of Zanu. Nobody can chuck us out.
So you are still Zanu?
Yes, I've not been chucked out.
Oh, okay.
And I don't think it's possible to chuck out somebody who did foundations for a building. You can say this building, this home is